Even though we all have varying definitions of what being wealthy is, the majority of us include some aspect of money in our calculations. You can quit work if you follow these secret steps. However, we desire a sense of success. Being successful does not mean having a huge income, but happiness. Here goes the secret tip to help you quit your work. Do one thing better. Choose a skill that you already excel at more than most people do. Just become obsessively devoted to finishing that one task. Work, train, learn, practice, evaluate, refine. Be brutally honest with yourself, but not in a masochistic way. Instead, do it to make sure you keep striving to get better at every facet of that one thing. Financially successful people typically excel in at least one area compared to their peers. Naturally, it helps if you choose a skill that the world values and will pay back. Excellence brings better respect, greater feelings of self-worth, greater fulfillment, and a larger sense of achievement, all of which make you rich in non-monetary terms. Perform the activities you are best at. Having a team also allows you to do much more of what you do best. Let's say you excel at selling. Why spend time on administrative activities when you could spend it with customers? Or perhaps you excel at developing fantastic processes. Every person does something that leaves a great impact on their financial situation. The most prosperous individuals discover strategies to do much more things and much less on everything else. Develop respect and decency. Giving employees more money, better perks, and better chances is undoubtedly crucial. However, no compensation or treatment can compensate for the loss of self-respect. The most crucial quality that genuinely prosperous business people offer to their team members, clients, suppliers, and anybody else they come into contact with is dignity. Keep a close eye on your development.
These people had one thing in common. They knew they had it in themselves. They knew they could be something beyond where they were. They were willing to put their time.
Track your progress against your main measures at least once a week because we often become what we measure. Perhaps you'll keep track of how many folks you assist. You might count the number of clients you have. Maybe you'll complete the necessary steps to dominate your chosen field. You'll most likely measure a mix of these things, plus more. Establish habits that will guarantee your success. Never forget that developing routines are the foundation for reaching a goal. Let's say your goal is to pen a 300-page book. Your objective is to achieve that. Writing 4 pages per day as per your routine could be a strategy for achieving that goal. You won't finish your novel by thinking about it. You'll finish it by faithfully following your schedule. That is your objective. To achieve it, you must follow a set routine that includes reaching out to a set number of leads each day, following up with a set number of current clients, and connecting with a set number of potential partners. When you improve, modify, adapt, and work hard every day, all to be better than you were yesterday, success is given. Instead of focusing on money, consider serving others. When you have few consumers and want to make a lot of money, you need to figure out how to maximize every single sale. But there are more advantages when you can help 1 million individuals. Word of mouth is greatly boosted. The amount of feedback you get is enormous, which also increases your chances of making improvements to your goods and services. As a result of the unexpected journeys your clients and staff have led you on, your company eventually becomes something you could never have imagined. See making money as a way to make more things. Generally, there are 2 types of people. One makes things because they want to make money. The more things one makes, the more money one makes. What they make doesn't matter much to them. They'll make anything as long as it pays. They love what they make and see making money as a way to do even more of what they love. They dream of building a company that makes the best things possible. Making money is the way to fuel that dream and build a company they love. And with this, we've come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.